Hello, everybody, and thank you for tuning in to the In Vegas Style. So, the question today is, why am I outside? Well, it's because of this. And this is the Ampeak Smart Battery Charger. And let's take a look. So today I come out to my garage because I wanted to showcase this battery charger while I'm outside, of course, not inside the house. So let me open this up right now. So here is the Ampeak charger right out of the box. Let's take a look at some of the functions.
Now, the Ampeak Smart Charger can charge 2 amps, 8 amps, 15 amps, depending on your needs. And on the right-hand side, you have different options, different buttons you can press on, from amps, battery type, recondition, or winter. Now, the battery clamps have positive and negative signs, so you don't get them confused, just in case.
Wondering what kind of power plug it has? It's your standard 2-prong plug. Now, for demonstration purposes, I have brought in the amp charger inside my house because it's better lighting, so let's take a look at it right now. Now, I wanted you to see how this was when it was actually turned on. So I don't have a battery to charge this to right now, so I figured, well, why not plug it in so that they could see the LCD screen. So as you can see, it is actually really bright and it's very clear. And right there, it's telling me right now to please put the clamps on the battery. Now, one of the things about this charger is that it has a charge button on it. So on top of these buttons here in the LCD screen, I'm going to go ahead and push this on right now. Obviously, I don't have a battery to charge this on at the moment, but as you can see, there's the button. When you press these other buttons, like for example, the winter button, when you press that and it's on the battery, it'll start charging it, and then you can go ahead and click it again to stop that charge. So very cool. Now let's take a moment to talk about the feel of the device. All right, it's sturdy for one. The handle, second of all, I love the handle. It's nice and comfortable. Now let's talk about price point. This is about $50. Well worth the investment, and the reason I tell you that is because it's a smart charger. As you saw earlier, I tried to press the buttons right, as I did right here, and it won't charge unless it's connected to the battery. The other thing is that it has the auto function as well, so that's a plus to it. And with that, guys, my thoughts on this is that it is a sturdy product for one. The price point is on point, and yeah, I would definitely recommend this. Now, before I leave, I want to tell you that this box here is great storage for the actual device itself. I was thinking about tossing it in the beginning, but it's such a sturdy box, and it keep that actual device nice and clean, so I'd probably recommend also keeping this box for that as well. Thank you for taking your time today to watch the In Vegas Style.